Hi everyone, I welcome you all to my personal kitchen, that is Cook Dil Se, and this is Chef Rahul at your service. Today I'm going to prepare something which is a Russian classic, and by Russia I mean Russia, Ukraine, or I should say a French classic as well, a classic which has made its impact in the French cuisine, that is chicken a la Kiev. So maybe the best way to have chicken that is crumbed, fried, and that is stuffed with garlic butter. Nothing can be better like it. I can already feel the water in my mouth. So let's just not waste the time, and I'll show you what ingredients we need to prepare that. So guys, for chicken a la Kiev, I'm just gonna take a chicken breast, and I'm not taking a bigger one like a huge chicken breast or just a very small one. I'm taking somewhere in the middle, and I have slit it into two. After that, I have just made a pocket to stuff this garlic butter. So I'm just gonna stuff this garlic butter in this breast, and then I'm gonna do the FEB process again, that is flour, egg and breadcrumbs. Then we're gonna use the salt and black pepper, and I'm gonna serve it with the creamy mashed potato. So for that I need mashed potato, which I have already mashed, and cream and butter, salt and pepper. That's all we need. So let's just start the process. So guys, what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm using a plastic bag. It's open. I have opened it from two sides, so it's gonna be like this. So I'm gonna use this plastic bag, and I'm gonna put my chicken breast on this. If you have the clean wrap at your place, if you have that plastic film at your place, use that. That would be nice. मेरे पास नहीं था, तो I'm just using this one. So what I'm gonna do is, like, now I'm gonna pound it into a very thin sheet. So guys, I'm gonna pound it like this. Remember, whenever you are pounding the chicken, mutton or something, so you need to put it upside down, so as you can achieve a flat surface. जो भी flat होती है, जो भी smooth surface होती है, वो it should keep smooth to give you a finish, to give you a nice texture. So guys, after pounding the chicken को flat करने के बाद मैंने इस पे जो हमारा गार्लिक बटर मैंने बनाया था, उसका रोल इसके ऊपर डाल दिया है, एंड आई एम जस्ट गोना स्टफ इट. आई एम जस्ट गोना रोल दिस चिकन ब्रेस्ट विद दिस गार्लिक बटर. तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, मैंने इसका एक रोल आर्ट तैयार कर लिया है. मैं जो आपसे कह रहा था कि अपसाइड डाउन चिकन को या किसी भी मीट आइटम को रखना ज़रूरी है, तो आप देख सकते हैं हाउ फ्लैट एंड हाउ स्मूथ सरफेस इट इज़. सो इट बिकम्स मोर प्रेजेंटेबल व्हेन इट कम्स टू प्रेजेंट द नॉन वेज और द मीट आइटम. आई नो कि हम इसमें ब्रेड क्रम करने वाले हैं, तो इट्स गोना कवर इट. बट कई बार क्या होता है, ब्रेड क्रम करने के बाद जब हम सर्व करते हैं, तो अंदर की स्किन कई बार दिखाई देती है, विच शुड लुक स्मूथ. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ सजेस्टेड कि जब भी आप कभी इसको पाउंड करें, तो इसको आप हमेशा अपसाइड डाउन करके ही करें. तो अब मैं इसको क्या करूंगा, आई जस्ट गोना रैप इट इन द एल्यूमिनियम फॉइल, एंड आई एम गोना फ्रीज इट so that the temperature and the shape remains the same. So I have prepared a pocket like this, and this I'm gonna put it in the freezer, and so that we can achieve a shape. एक थोड़ी सी shape ले लेगा ये, and then we're gonna flour, egg and breadcrumb it. So guys, in the meantime, I'm gonna prepare our creamy mashed potato. For that, I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of butter. And I'm gonna cook it on a very low flame so our butter doesn't get burned. See, our butter has melted completely, so I'm gonna add garlic in this. I need to saute the garlic a bit. हमें इसको brown नहीं करना है, but I need to saute a bit so that it leaves its flavor to the butter. So now I have added our mashed potato, the potato which we have already mashed, and इसमें ऐड कर दिए हैं, and I'm gonna mix it with the butter itself. With this, I'm gonna add a bit of salt in this, and a bit of pepper, black pepper. So guys, I have taken it off the flame, and now I'm gonna add cream to this to get the creamy texture. 1 once I have added the cream, I'm just gonna mix it well so that we can achieve the creamy texture and all the cream goes inside the mashed potato. So guys, you can see how creamy it has become. So this is our creamy mashed potatoes. So I'm gonna serve it with the chicken, and let's go check how our chicken is. Guys, you can see we got a nice roll structure. So now I'm just gonna do the FEB process on this. Prior doing the FEB process, you need to marinate this, or you need to season it with salt and pepper, and then do the FEB process like how I am doing. First putting up the flour. So guys, this is gonna look like something like this, and now I'm just allowing it to rest, and then I'll fry it. In the meanwhile, मैं oil को थोड़ा heat कर लेता हूँ. So I'm allowing it to rest, and then I'll fry it. So guys, we got our chicken ready, and I'm just gonna plate it and I'll show you. So guys, this is our chicken a la Kiev. That is the chicken breast which is stuffed with garlic butter and the creamy mash.